Heavydrive assembles gigantic glass panes in Zagreb. In the tightest of spaces, the team has to fit 3 glass elements measuring up to 10.4 by 2.7 meters and weighing up to 2.2 tons. This assignment is carried out by employing the VSG 3500 kmh suction system in conjunction with the VSG 3000 Konter. Both systems are securely connected to each other with just a few touches. The traverse is fixed to the truck-mounted crane by means of a 4-strand chain suspension device. For accomplishing the complete assembly procedure, only a 7-meter wide space is available. In this most confined space, the operator positions the system centrally in order to adjust the suction pads and securely lift the pane. The glass facades of the Italian restaurant have to be fitted under an 80-centimeter protrusion. This can be accomplished thanks to the counterweight traverse perfectly balancing the weight. This way the pane can be precisely guided up to and fitted into the opening. The VSG features telescopic load arms that can be individually adjusted to the pane and be pulled out of the base frame with effortless ease. The suction system can be seamlessly tilted by 90 degrees and rotated by 360 degrees. This way, the equipment can be directly loaded onto the truck. The counterweight traverse can also be released with a few simple touches and stored on the truck. Within only 3 hours, all the 3 façade elements have been assembled and the Heavydrive equipment has been loaded again for transport.